नमस्ते विद्याओं खुश रहिए आई टीम Muskan Kumari from the Department of Science and Technology and I am working here as a assistant professor in JVWU University and the Faculty of Education and Technology. So today I will discuss the session. That session name is the desktop as a service. And before this discussing, I just want to recall you all the session which I have already discussed related to the cloud computing. That is what is the cloud computing, what is the advantage and disadvantage of cloud computing, isn't it? What are the various applications of the cloud computing, where you can implement the cloud computing, how companies are using the cloud computing, isn't it? And so there is more topics. The cloud computing services. There are mainly three services of cloud computing, but one more services we are reading. That's named the desktop as a services, and the left three services is the infrastructure as a service, and platform as a service, and software as a services. And these three services recently I have discussed in the previous session. So today I am just discussing the desktop as a services, and we will get into uh, um, making it very easy to you to understand these things, sessions. I just want to say word files which is created by me to make you easily understand regarding these topics. Okay, so just wait 1 minute. I'm just opening that files. Yes, here is that. This is the desktop as a services. Okay, now so we are just mm, taking this in the introduction to the desktop as a services. What is the desktop as a service? Desktop as a service is just simply abbreviated like the DaaS. It's secure and delivers the virtual app and desktops from the cloud to any device or the locations, isn't it? The desktop virtualization solution provides secure SaaS. The desktop virtualization services provides you to secure the SaaS services and legacy applications as well as the Windows-based applications. Whatever the applications you are using that is based on the Windows-based applications, these all applications is basically secured by the using the DaaS desktop as a services. Okay, DaaS offers the simple and predictable pay as you go, similar as the ARS services that they are also providing you these same services like the pay as you go subscription model. Okay, making it easy to scale up and down on demand basis. So how does work? So DaaS desktop as services how work isn't it? So now we will discuss that desktop as a service delivers virtual application and desktop as a services via the public or the private cloud services. So your workforce can access this service through the internet connections via using the HTML based web browsers, whatever the browsers you are using, or the applications which is based on the HTML web browsers and a secured application downloaded. Whatever the applications you have downloaded that is secureable than the others to that particular device or the desktop such as the laptop, desktop or thin or the tablets, isn't it? Desktop as a service is offered as a subscription service and the multi-tenant in nature. The backend virtual backend virtual desktop infrastructure, which is also known as the VDI infrastructures, including the virtual machine that run desktop operating system, virtual machine which run the desktop operating system, and it is basically hosted by the third party of the cloud service provider. The DaaS providers then system the virtual desktop to customers in users devices. This is very well known that DaaS providers is basically streams your all the desktops or the customers in the users devices. What are the working? They are performing like that. They are streaming that all the things, and thus provides to manage the VDI. VDI is what virtual desktop infrastructures. They manages the VDI deployment, that how you are deploying that VDI on the desktop as well as maintenance of that VDI, and also provides the security and upgrades the data, and also backup the data and storage that all data, and the customer manage that applications and desktop images also. DaaS is good choice for the organizations that want to invest in and manage their own on-premise VDI solution, isn't it? So many more services doesn't want to invest in it and manage their own premises database. Okay, so this is all about the desktop as a services. And before this, I have already discussed about the infrastructure as a services. Just I want to again recall some important points of that all services. That infrastructure as a services is what they are providing you the infrastructures where you can use the infrastructures as you go on pay basis, isn't it? How much infrastructures you need, you can purchase that things, and for that you have to pay the some limited amount of the money. Okay, so you can also purchase the storage your data, manage data, also provides the security. These all are the services of the us. And the pass is provides you the platform where you can make the some web-based applications or design the web-based applications with the help of various tools which is already on the platform as a services. So you haven't required to purchase any hardware and the software, isn't it? And the software as the applications, I mean that thing that provides you the services that where you can easily deploy the made applications or the softwares on that platform, on that softwares, and you can easily make that in deployment and make that security and all that things. And infrastructure is a solution that you can also make that some applications, but for testing that and deployment purpose. And suppose when your testing and deployment is successful, then you will remove from that infrastructure, isn't it? So this all about the infrastructure as the services, platform as the services, software as the services, and this is the desktop as the services. Desktop as services is well known. I have just discussed the service. Now this is the securely delivers the virtual apps and desktop from the cloud. These are doing what? These are just delivering the virtual apps from where? Virtual apps and desktops from the cloud. They are delivering the various applications from the cloud to the desktop locations or the device locations or the laptops or the tablets or the desktop. This desktop virtualization solution basically provisions secure SaaS. This secures the SaaS. Why secure the SaaS? This is the point, one point that because SaaS is the software as a services, and whatever the services or the whatever the services you are using here, the applications you are using here, that is based on the that is already on the SaaS, isn't it? So that is supported by the SaaS. So this is secure the SaaS and legacy applications as well as full based Windows based virtual applications, that is based on the web based applications, web based applications people are using, isn't it? So this is that things that is all okay. So in the next topics, I will just discuss one more things, that is the why companies are more prefer the cloud services to use. What is the most benefit regarding this to using the cloud services? Is it possible that uh, small enterprises or small organizations can use this cloud services very efficiently? If they are can use this services very efficiently, then how, in which manners, and what are the various things regarding that? So these all are the various points which I will discuss in the next session. Okay, so okay, thank you. And just if you have any problems in this section, then please comment in the